Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essentials, network power, and that the receipt printer and barcode scanner are connected and functional. Once done, make sure you have manager credentials, product lists, and tax settings accessible so you can apply correct pricing. Now open the POS app, choose the correct store location, and log in securely. Use two-factor if the system requires it. This avoids inventory mismatches and tax errors later, and gets you immediately into the sales interface to start ringing up transactions. You scan the item or type the UPC, then confirm the description and price so customers see accuracy. Next, apply any discount codes, loyalty rewards, or bundle pricing and confirm tax rules match the item category. This prevents refunds later. Once the total is correct, choose payment. Accept chip or contactless card, cash or mobile wallet, or split the payment if needed. Make sure to finalize the sale and print or email the receipt. Customers appreciate a quick, accurate checkout experience. You finish by closing the register. Reconcile cash against the sales summary, confirm card settlements, and run your end-of-shift report so totals match. Once done, sync transactions to the cloud and backup data, then update inventory counts to reflect sales. This keeps reorder points accurate. If something goes wrong, like a failed card reader or missing sale, restart the POS app, check cables and network, then escalate to support with the shift report. This quick troubleshooting minimizes downtime and lost sales.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.